Sweet.
Skank. Oh, delicious.
And then like
Toastals.
Show it.
Kiwi. Show it.
Let's start the video with it.
Dude, this fucking. I gotta. Now that you gave me that, I've been saving this.
Oh, nice. Is that what I gave you like a long ass time ago? No?
I made this sort of little something. I fucking.
I sneeze when I'm excited.
It's cooking on nice though, I can feel it. It's like making it work.
That's a good thing. This doesn't worry about waiting for seconds to dry stuff.
Got a cough too, eh, man? I've had like the nastiest fucking cough.
Oh, dude. I inhaled a piece of beef jerky, I think. It's probably a good thing we don't do an entire whole car with just these cans, eh?
Well, yeah, I think rollers are called for, right?
Yeah.
I mean, we want solid,
yeah,
we want
the
to
paint.
why waste our time dusting it with expensive ass cans?
Yeah.
Be better to.
That is very true.
Grimier.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Finn is like, oh yeah.
This is going to be fucking awesome.
Weekend, I was like, whoa, what's that sound? Hey, if you hear this, I mean, 6 is out.
Oh, shit.
Sounds like a missile, eh?
It does. It sounds like it's going to explode. Oh, why don't we do this every minute of every day?
Oh.
What? All Jerry says is, oh. He doesn't even speak anymore.
Why don't we do this every day?
That's why.
It's my troll sound.
Get a close up?
Did you try to reprint the numbers on that just right there too after?
Yeah, just remember them, or we'll see them through it.
Yeah.
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 Oh, we just easy, even if it's just a black fucking.
Honestly, they'll be able to see them through too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not even that worried about it.
Yeah. Just if they're dicks, then they can do that. But otherwise, fuck it.
Yeah.
Fine.
It's not like they don't have hate boners for us anyway.
Yeah. Either way, fuck it. The whole fucking thing. Like, what are they gonna do? They'll buff that one spot.
Yeah. Who cares?
So what you already have. It's just we'll just kind of have things there around it.
Awesome.
Anything leaving any stains on my shit though, and they're like really? I'm like, oh, okay, fuck. And then I ended up fucking. They said, oh, take your time. I'm like, oh, okay. Thinking, all right, I'll take my time. But then I'm thinking, don't tell me that. I'm fucking walking around. It took me like a half an hour to walk from there. The last time we did a whole car throw.
Painting with me. You two.
Oh fuck, dude! It must have been at least 6 months.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what it was, dude? When we did the States will give us American respect in a way, which doesn't matter too much. I just mean, you know what I mean? It's just a good thing to have.
I want to be number 1. There's no number 2 in our book.
Yeah. You think that shit? Like, how quick did that? How long was it when you do that?
When was that?
12 minutes.
That fucking.
Oh, my main man. Fucking
Oh,
UHC right here.
this is awesome.
It is awesome.
I didn't ever think this was gonna happen.
This is what we always have to do. It always has
Every
to be
day.
big.
Yeah.
Always full car.
No more bullshit.
No more little shit. No more standing on the ground. That's for pussies. Painter's touch has to make you feel better about everything.
Yeah. So much better. It was
Like,
worth
dude,
that.
I'm in debt fuck too, but I told my wife last night, I was like, I don't feel like going out tomorrow. And then as soon as you text me, you're like, I'm at Home Depot. Okay, I'm going out. I'm going out. Whole car today, baby. Don't wait up.
Just like that, eh?
Somebody just roll through.
Yeah, I'll check it
You're
out.
walking up there. Yeah, definitely.
Really, there we go. I hear the ducks making noise.
To the bottom. Fuck, you're sick, dude. Why the fuck aren't we bombing wind? Designed them to be used in places like California and
I guess, yeah.
where it's always fucking hot as shit.
I know, it just seems like you would melt the tape or something, you know?
It's all computer. There is no tape.
I can't even laugh, I'm sweating so fucking much.
This is how I like to wear them.
I like that.
Oh, it feels good too.
It does.
You got soakers, right?
Yeah.
Motherfuckers
Please put some water on this.
hanging swang. Yeah.
Some
That's
water.
how I wore it for the Stompdown Killaz video with Cass and fucking.
Yeah.
Everyone big Lee cam and shit. We did the big crew mob on the jumpable.
Yeah.
That's how I had it.
Wow, that's hard to believe, man.
One day we got a mob tee downtown with shit like this
Oh,
on
yeah.
our head. For
Oh,
real.
I'll wear it. Fucking right. But wait till we get our own.
Shades.
We're fucking nuts. Think of just little things like changing that legal mural at one at Michelle's house in the desert heat where all black for like 3 days.
Oh, I know.
And it's just a pinch in the bucket, you know? It's nothing really on the scale of things we've done.
It's never pretty.
Oh,
Always a good thing.
it's always rugged. I love knowing that nobody's gonna quit and be, like, not be able to make it. Probably my brother, doesn't matter, it's all good.
But
Yeah.
I mean, I worry about it because, well, we take risks, and I can't deny the shit could actually go. I do
You
want
got a good woman.
I just want to know you guys are down, like, because when it comes to that. Look at this splatter, eh? You see that?
Yeah. I've never painted on a ladder. It seems like it'd be really hard to do.
Look at that spill. Fuck, man, it's tripping me up. A dash of white?
Oh man. The lefties you did out back?
Yeah.
And your zigzag fill like that?
Oh yeah. The dirtier the better. In this case it's extra dope though. Because it's not like we're just doing a shitty little like oh that makes me really weird. What's that hit?
Good smoky. Smoky,
I'm
come here.
gonna fill his whole ass with fucking this top. He was doing this thing.
Yeah, Smoky. Good girl, Smoky. Good girl. Good Smoky.
It was. Just
Smokey.
looking at this like
Hey, Smoky.
so many writers are probably
What is it?
shooting
Up,
their
up,
fingers.
up, up.
Shame.
Mouse?
How dare you? Oh, look how glorious this is gonna be.
So yeah. I was surprised you were doing it because I was just like shocked. I was like, you just finished yours. I thought you were gonna switch, take a break.
Yeah.
Oh, this is just too fucking ridiculous. Oh, yeah, give me a kiss. Oh, you got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I got the mix thing
Mixed
and
and
then
smoked, I think. Anything else?
Nope.
Paint marker. All right.
Oh yeah, 3 each, see? That'd be weird, eh? Obviously Miles would have stopped though. It wasn't left, they're picking blackberries. Imagine like Diego, so it's nothing what we did, he comes here.
Miles kid here would just take an easy pee. Probably the most insane train I've ever seen in my life.
Full car throwies?
Yeah.
Fuck, it's like fucking nuts in that way.
Gets messy, eh?
Cats don't
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be as grimy as we can make it. Nice. Really nice. You got a good flow on it. Now it's flowing like a thin cap, eh?
Yeah.
You just gotta get that vibe in it.
It was weird, yeah. I think it's a wind too, but it's...
Wind fucks it too, yeah.
The quickness of, yeah.
This up, you sneezer.
Yeah?
picked us up the skis. Fixing, you know? I find the best method is to just do it.
Yeah.
And you fucking taught me that. So fuck.
And at the end you're like, shit, that's good.
In the end, I'm usually happy if I just give it.
Yeah.
How'd it go? Harder than fuck?
Is it on?
Good thing for you guys, that's you and cherries. 'Cause I can't touch weed.
Oh,
If I drink and touch weed, last time I did
No,
that.
I mean like there's nothing left for
Oh.
today. Now that's awkward.
You're fucked, yeah.
Yeah, now I get turned awkward. No, I got another couple roaches, but it was a long walk. I was surprised how fucking far away we were. Holy shit. Got it. Oh shit, eh? Are we the only people on Earth? K.A.?
Yeah.
What's good?
Kill all. That's siren meth, man.
That's you? I didn't know it was you guys.
I was the first before KMFD. I started that when I was in...
Oh yeah, that's original. That's
But
old
not-
school shit too.
You, if anyone, should hit that. You can write that anytime you want. Exactly, like you said, no one needs more.
Booze and drugs we could ever take.
Yeah.
And you're an animal. I was on a train.
Yeah, we might be here. Yeah. I am speechless.
All you need is the top of that T, and then the fucking 3D on that.
On the slurp and on here.
Yeah.
Close to them, but they start outlines. I could spend all day there. I don't care. Another little break in the shade or something would be good. They actually don't even need the shade, just a break is good. Like up on the ladder, down on the up on the ladder. It's good now though. Sitting on a fucking hot piece of iron isn't good.
Yeah, man, that shit's so hot, eh?